Go for it, RJ.
Watch.
Go ahead. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Go ahead. Yeah, it's a couple of good pictures.
There you go, bud. Come on.
Alright, let's see what Bobby does with it.
That was our first day there. That was Monday. That was
Over here.
the connection between Paulina and Chloe.
Yeah, yum yum.
Okay, but I don't have anything. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, he's sharing with Mama. Sharing with Mama.
Oh, he put the whole thing in his mouth.
He does that.
Yeah.
Slide over.
Yep.
The ruin of an abbey outside of
He's all buzzing. Oh, here comes Ada.
Ada, that's his cupcake.
You gonna help him eat, Ada?
Yeah, that's not messy. You lick it off.
Yeah, good girl, Ada.
Yeah, it's all apart. It's a ruin. Much like everything else in our life. That is.
He didn't quite dig in like Ada did, but you know, he's a little more trepidatious about it.
Is he making a
All right. Good job, RJ.